Let me show you how we can feather edges in Affinity. I already drag and drop my image. I'm in the pixel mode. Let's head to pixel and we're going to make a pixel selection. So I want to select all. That's a good start. And now we will also modify this selection. So back to pixel menu, pixel selection. There's option to grow or shrink your existing selection. So let's shrink it a bit. All right, we are making the selection a bit smaller. That's nice. I go click apply. And based on this selection, I will add a mask to this layer. So I click on the mask button here in the layer panel. All right, we got our area mask out, but that's not a very smooth feather effect. Now we simply need to apply blur on that mask. So I will now deselect. I don't need the selection anymore. Deselect. Be sure the mask is selected, not the picture, but the mask. Head to the top, select pixel, filters and blur. Gaussian blur will do. And let's control the blur with the slider and take a look. Now everything is kind of smoothly fading away to transparency. So this is the great method because we got this slider control plus it's non-destructive. So in any moment I can delete this mask. Right click, delete, and I got the full picture once more. Of course, there's also this old-fashioned way when we simply select all, pixel, select all, and then we do pixel, and there is an option to feather. We decide how many pixels, apply, then we can invert the selection and click delete to delete that feather area around. So that's the old-fashioned way. When we actually delete the pixels, we are losing them. So I do not recommend this method. As you can see, the result is very, very similar. So once more, simply select all, then make your selection smaller using the pixel selection and shrink row. After that, you can apply your mask, and that will help you to mask out the areas at the edges. The final step is to blur the mask, and that's it. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.